Children, in the last class we have completed about all the possible ways of forming the numbers. I have given 968 and 320 and 154. So I have finished the first sum and second and third sum 320. Page number 58. This is the practice they are given. Sum number 1 less second one we are going to do now. In this they are given the number 320. I told you, we have to list all the possible ways. So 6 box we have to write. So first you can write 320. Then 320. 302. First 3 la aarambikra number edukonga. You can take the number 3 and 320 means after that you put 302. Then you take 203. Then 230. Okay. So after that we can write in 0 we can't write this number. 0 la start panna number varadu. So what we have to do? 203 போட முடியாது. 302 we have written. 230, 320. So only 4 place only possible ways to do these sums. Because 0 la start பண்ண முடியாது. Only 3 la we can start the 2 numbers and 2 la we can start the 2 numbers. 0 to 4 we can't do it. We can say the 2 digit numbers. So we can write as 23. Or we can write as 32. So we can read this number as 23 and 32. The next one is 154. The third sum is 1, 5 and 4. So in this number we can put 6, 4, 5 and 6. So here I can take 154. Again on the same 154 you change panni edunga 145. Next we can take 5, 4 and 1. 541. Again you put this 5 and the 41 14 or change pannikonga. Then we can start with the 4. So 4, 1, 5. 415. 451. So these are the possible ways of writing the numbers. Okay. So now after this you can write any numbers also. You can give any 3 numbers. Suppose if I am giving any other number 7, 8, 9 also you can write it. Now the next one they are given the alphabet. So you have to write the possible ways of writing the alphabets. That is, what alphabets they are given? Sum number 2. Find all possible ways. Possible ways of combining 3 letters. Three letters A, E and T. Okay, so you have to use these 3 letters and you have to form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 words they are given. So 5 words we can use. What are those 5 words? We can write T-E-A-T, A-T-E-8, E-E-A-T, eat. Then only 3 only we can use. We can't write a 5. 8 here written, 8 here written, T. 3 letters we have to use. Okay. So only 3 only. We can write TEAT, ATE8, EATE, and no other possible way of writing the words again. So only 3 we can use it. No need to use the other 3. If you are having any ideas of writing this, no need. Only this 3, this is enough. So what are the possible ways? So possible ways is only 2 only we can, 3 only we can write. So write only these 3 possible ways, that is enough for us. And now the next one is an example they are given, and we have to find out the question answers also. List all the possible 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words. This is an example. List all the possible 3-letter, 4-letter, and 5-letter words. 5-letter words that start with alphabet R. So here they are given right, red, ring, rose, rat, road, river, rupee, run. So these are the words I given. So now we have to sort out these words, the 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words. So first we can write 3-letter word, 4-letter word, and 5-letter word. Three-letter word, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words. Now, what are the 3-letter words? We are having the red. We are having red. Number 1 is red. And rat. Second one is rat. And the third one, run. So these are the 3-letter words. Then 4-letter word. What are the 4-letter word? Ring. Then rose. Road. Then 5-letter word. 5-letter word. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right. 5-letter word is right. Then river, R-I-V-E-R, river. Then rupee. So these are the 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and 5-letter words. So you have to arrange the letters like this. They are given the words here, right, red, ring. Here they are given. In your book itself, right, red, ring, rose, rat, road, river, rupee, run. So these words are given in your book. So you have to arrange this according to the 3-letter word, 4-letter word, and 5-letter word. And after this, they are asking you some questions. Number of 4-letter words. So answer the questions. First one, number of 4-letter word. How many 4-letter words are there? How many 4-letter words? 1, 2, 3. So you put 3. And then there are dash 3-letter words. There are dash 3-letter words. How many 3-letter words are there? 3-letter word is 1, 2, 3. That is also 3. Then there are dash 5-letter words. There are dash 5-letter words. So how many 5-letter words are there? That is also 3. So you have to arrange the letters according like this: 3-letter, 4-letter, 5-letter. And after that you have to answer the questions that they have given this as a fill in the blanks. Okay, now list down all the possible meaningful 3-lettered and 4-letter words starting with alphabet A. So we can write this. So can you understand? So this will be easy only. So read the question carefully and answer the fill in the blank. So whatever the question answer they are asking, so read it properly and answer it. Okay. Now the next one is page number 59. In this he is asking, list down all the possible meaningful 3-letter words. List down all possible meaningful 3-lettered and 4-lettered words. Starting with A. So A la start பண்ண meaningful words 3-letter words and 4-letter words. 3-letter words starting with A and 4-letter words starting with A, that will be meaningful. So many words are there. So 4-letter words like you can write 3-letter words like art you can write, then arm, then any five you can write, and then 3 then ant, and 4-letter words starting with so you can start like this, 3 letters, 4 and 5, any anything you can think. 3-letter words are written art, arm, and then angel is 5-letter words. Okay, and anything can you remember? Okay, children, you can think and write. Any 5 you can write. No, so keep this as a homework. So think and say. Write it with this. You can do it as a homework. Okay, this is also the homework. So think and do and write. And like that, the second one they are given. List the names of the animals with 4 letters. So many animals are there. So list the names of the animals. This also you can write. Names of the animals with 4 letters. So this also you can write bear, any animal you can write, then deer. Okay, like this. Any 4-letter words, any animals you can write. This also as an homework. You think and write it. Okay, I'll ask you this one. Then next one is collection and representation of data. What is the collection of representation of data is they are given in pictorial representation. Pictorial na pictures representation. In this, symbols and pictures can be used to represent the data. The data is known as the pictorial representation. This is the picture they are given. So you have to, how many trains are there, how many peoples are there, how many children are sitting there, how many boys are there, like that they will ask you the question. This is called the data, pictorial representations. And the pictures and the pictures, how many animals are there, what are the things, how many alphabets are there, or how many boxes are there, like that they will ask you the question. So you have to write and say the answer. So page number 59 you see. So look at the picture and fill in the required data. What are the picture they will give you, and they will ask you the question like this. You have to answer all these questions seeing this picture, this. Okay children, we will continue this in the next class. But go through this what all I given and give this think and write these 3-letter words starting with A and 4-letter words starting with A. Anything you can write. And your second one is the list the names of the animals with 4 letters. So what are the animals? You can write anything, more than 5 also you can write. You can write 10 also, up to 10 also you can write children. If you know the 4-letter animals more than that, you can write. Okay. So this is the homework. Just go through this and do it children. Thank you. We'll see it in the next class.